Lumipad si Ling. Ako, lumipad si Ling Ling. Ayan kasi, ang kulit no. Okay. Ha! Oh my god, guys. I have Chica. Chica. I look so haggard. I have Chica, guys. It's about Lingy. It's about Ling. It's so cute. My Ling is a big boy na talaga. He's a big boy. It's so cute. Guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? He's a big boy. No. So when I went home, ayun, and pauwi na ako when I saw a cat. And kasi I just found out na si Ling pala, pinapalabas siya sa bahay minsan. Kasi he really wants to go out. And kaya pala, kasi may jowa na si Ling, guys. It's so cute. And no, walang baby. But, ang cute kasi. So, lumalabas daw si Ling, pinapalabas nila ng mom and dad ko. Even if I tell them na, bakit yung pinapalabas? Kasi usually, di ba, pag pinapalabas, usually yung mga dogs, kasi yung cats, when they go out, parang they tend to run away na and then not come back. Parang ganun. Or I don't know. Or maybe depends. But, yeah, so Ling, lumalabas si Ling, and then, he goes out to meet his jowa. So cute. It's may ganun din actually kami sa isa naming aso before, Rolana. But yeah, and then ang cute kasi, 'di ba, all black si Ling. Tapos yung jowa niya all white. So ang cute nila, yin and yang. As in, ang ganda, like white, like ang cool kasi, I don't know if the cat is a stray cat though or not. Pero kasi sobrang white, like sobrang linis ng cat. Yeah. And then, ayun, nung pauwi na ako, coming back here in Manila. So, my flight that time was early morning. And then, mga 5 a.m. Nasa labas yung pusa, nag-aantay kay Ling. Ang cute. Ang cute. Parang inaabangan, nasa loob siya ng gate namin. Tapos, inaabangan lang niya si Ling. Feeling ko may time sila na parang, okay, meet me up at 6 a.m. Ganun. Ang cute. Diba? Buti pa si Ling happy. Joke. Ang cute. Oh my God. Tapos pagbalik ko, no, may mga na, black and white. Yin and yang. Oh, sorry kayo dyan. Buti pa yung pusa may kabebe time. Ang cute nila. Oh, dog. Sasagot siya. Ajay!
Palaban mo.
Grabe! Kinagat niya yung ilong ko.
Kagatin mo din.
Kagatin ko din.
Kagatin mo.
Sige, magiging fried siomay ka. Magiging siomay ka. I'll make you to a siomay later if they send, if you reach 1 million. Ay, oo. Ay, tinext ako. Siomay or big?
Siomay or siopaw?
Siomay or siopaw?
Ayun mo, okay na.
Ayan,
I-off mo
na.
ulit, ha?
Sige po. Sige.
Kahit ano lang.
Na preset.
Kahit 3 words lang. Or ano na lang, Kuya Jello, what's up, Blooms and Aces, yun.
Baby talk. Oh, wala kang ano dyan.
Oh, walang atrasan yan.
Paano po ba mag-baby talk po?
Kailangan ng mention po.
Kasi maganda sa baby talk.
Nagagalan.
Ate Maray.
Lalalalalalala.
Go, Kuya Jello!
Ay, eto na ba?
Jello, ako yung pinagpahan.
Ay, hindi, eto na lang. Kuya Jello, gayahin mo na lang daw. Kuya Jello, di ba may sinaulo kang parang
Si Queen Yasmin,
Hi, Ling. Liwat ni mo. Kay mo, di. Ayaw,
Cute sa iling ay
nagkuhan. Nagka-pink. Hi, Ling. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ling, hi, Ling. Ling.
Linglong.
Ling, Ling. Dito, gyud oh. Dito kay kaha. Bukan dati aya ron. Ano siya? Tugan di ate ay tabang pamudua. Tabang mo tanan. Ling na.
Saan pag isumbong ko mo sa walo?
Ang nawar ko dong na oh. Sugo oh.
Open kaya ang eyes.
Ulo mo dito gyud iyon ko yung sino na iyon mata. Wapo manggagod. Wapo anak.
Sinasabi ng Blooms na paripi daw nung door. Kaya sinarado yung door dito kay sa room ni Kuya Islaw. Sinarado ko, tapos natakot ako bigla. Tapos sumabay pa tong si Lingling, takbo ng takbo. Ling! Parang nasapian ka, alam mo may nakikitang ano. Please.
Hi, Ling Ling Bias. Thank you, daw. Ling Ling! Ling! Bakit? Bakit? Oh my gosh, Ling! Ang mahal-mahal lang nagagastos sa'yo, tapos nakain ka lang ng ipis? Oh my gosh, nakakaloka talaga itong si Ling. Alam mo, ang laki na po na nagagastos namin kay Ling. Hindi naman siya nagre-reklamo, pero... Sasayang ang gastos mo. Kailangan sa natin at sa bahay. As in, investment talaga si Ling. Kaya pag umalis pa to ng bahay, hindi ko na alam.
Anyways, wait, because I also said na if we reach 50K, I'm gonna show you guys an unseen photo of Ling. Feel ko nandito pala siya. You guys wanna see? Ling Ling? Eto. Ready your keyboard. Ready your keyboard and your wording. When I show you guys this picture of Ling, type a word or basta type in something of what your first impression is with Ling Ling when I get to show you guys this photo of him. Okay. Okay, get ready guys. What is your first impression of Ling Ling when you guys see mahal ko si Ling Ling. Nakakasawa talaga si Ling Ling. Yung mukha niya kasi. If we reach 100K, pagpulita ko anong pinatawanan ko. Joke lang. Budol. No. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. Kasi guys, okay. Ready your keyboards and wordings. Be kind, okay? Be kind. What is your first impression of Ling Ling with this picture? Do you see a cat or a donkey? Pero, dito ba? Okay. This was sent sa GC namin sa Bini where nandun sila Ate Jos and Miss MQ. Ling, I love you. Hindi, sa angle lang to, guys. Para siyang donkey dito. He looks like a donkey. He looks like a horse. Oh my God. Para siyang kabayo. The killing. I still love this. You want to see more? No. I don't know. Mas cuter version na donkey. Imagine like kakagising mo na tapos this is your view. And it's just because of the camera angles, guys. That's why camera angles are really important. Pag naka. I one more. I have one more. Guys, look. This is the cat of Yumi Us. So cute, diba? They have same eyes. It's yellow. Because before, Ling Ling's eye color was blue and then turned to gray, and then green, then yellow. Looks like Paning, no? It's so pretty. Look at the eyes. So pretty, no? And this is Yumi. And so again, this is Yumi, the cat of Yumi Us, and this is Bunny. I don't know if he got a cat or a donkey or a horse. Ling, it's okay. I love you. Tama na. Nakakawa na si Ling. Ito naman. May pa-wink. Mas cute to. Or parang ano pa rin. Or wacky. Ewan ko. Okay, tama na. Kawawa na si ano. Kawawa na si Ling. Yeah. Yeah. What if I make an account tapos puro mga ganun na face ni Ling? Feeling ko mas magbo-boom yun. Feeling ko magbo-boom yung ano. Yung account na yun. Kasi ang dami matatawa. Or for at least like, if ganun man, like let's say I make an account for Ling, tapos ganun yung itsura niya na parang donkey, tapos when they see Ling in person, oh wow, pogi cat, diba? At least like better kaysa parang, ay, pogi ng cat, tapos pagkakita in person, parang, pusa ba yan? Or donkey? Ayan. Okay, Islaw, naka-on na po ba? Sure. Ala! Sige! Uy, kakaligo mo na! Tingnan mo, guys. Uy! Uy, Islaw! Nakita ko yun! Uy! Uy! Sabi ko yun sa kakaligo lang ni Len! Uy! Uy! Ling, ka! Wala, lalayas yan, Kuya Islaw. Wala, si Ling kasi, daspan. Tapos bilang kinanon ni Kuya Islaw. Ano si Kuya Islaw? Kakaligo lang yan eh. Uy! Ling, come here! Ito. Sorry. Matulog ka na ulit. Sige.
Baka takihin mo pa ako.
Hala, ipamalitan nyo na. Ito, seryoso. Alam nyo ba? Si Ling ay lalaki pala. Oh my God! Dahil si Ling, lalaki siya. What is happening to Ling? As in, pag-uwi ko, nung nalaman ko na lalaki pala si Ling, pag-uwi ko, I had to check. Cute, but it's a boy.
Okay, bye-bye. Nope, you cannot come. Goodbye. No, Ling Ling. You cannot come, Ling. No, Ling. Ala, may gusto talagang sumama. Ling Ling, wag, uy. No, 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 no. No! No! You're gonna stay, Ling. Come here. Boy to?
Girl.
Ay, girl! What if Jay pa-breed ko kay Ling?
No.
Uy, grabe ka naman.
I love Ling.
Ay, okay. Blooms, narinig yun ha. Sabi, grabe yung pagka-no niya. Capital N-O. Tapos magko-comment siya na miss niya si
I
Ling.
love Ling, pero hindi tayo dadating sa point na ganun.
Grabe, bakit?
Hello, this is you. What is your first impression of Ling Ling with this picture? Do you see a cat or a donkey? Ano ba? Okay. This was sa GC namin sa BB where nandun sila Ate Jos and Miss MQ. Ling Ling, I love you. Imagine nakakagising mo na this interview. And it's just because of the camera angles, guys. That's why camera angles are really important. Wala ka.